Are you tired of the unbearable heat that makes your home feel like an oven? Well, Star Shield provides you a solution. Star Heat Shield, a revolutionary nano-modified IR/UV anti-heat glass coating for your glass windows and doors to block incoming heat. In this video, we'll take you through the simple application process using roller so that you can experience the benefits of Star Heat Shield for yourself. Let us begin with the stepwise procedures. Start by laying a plastic sheet or a newspaper on a table and the nearby floor to prevent spillage. Open the DIY kit and place the material on the table, which contains a roller with a handle that can be adjusted for proper movement, a glass sample for testing, and a beaker for precise measurement. There is a microfiber cloth and a specially designed gloves to clean the surface. And of course, Star Heat Shield, the anti-heat glass coating to create a powerful barrier against heat. Then, we have included a mask to prevent inhalation of fumes during application. Additionally, the dropper ensures controlled and accurate application. Also, a pair of gloves for your skin protection. At last, there is a glass cleaning powder to remove stubborn stains that hinders the coating adhesion. The first step is surface preparation. Paste masking tape firmly along all the boundaries of the area you'll be working on to prevent any accidental coating application on unintended surfaces. After this, scratch down the tough and hard droppings from the glass surface, if any, using a soft blade in a slanting position to the surface, avoiding any scratches to appear. Add water to the glass cleaner and tightly screw the cap onto the bottle to prevent any leaks. Shake the bottle vigorously to blend the water with the cleaning solution, ensuring that every drop delivers powerful cleaning action. It's time to pour the glass cleaner liquid, drop by drop onto the glass surface and spread it evenly, covering the entire area that needs cleaning. Now, give that glass a good and gentle but firm scrub, using machine or manually with your hand. Do not forget to wear gloves beforehand to avoid any reaction. Focus on stubborn stains that need extra attention and watch them disappear. Next, wipe away the glass surface for any residue, using a dry, lint-free, microfiber cloth to make the surface absolute clear. Spray water or any liquid glass cleaner in case of any white patches and wipe the surface. Pour Star Heat Shield into the beaker and measure the amount to be used using a weighing machine and then transfer it into the application tray. Now check the performance of the normal glass sample before coating. For testing, load the roller and apply it to the glass sample available in the kit. Again, check the performance after drying using the spectrometer. It is to be noted here that its consumption is 2.25 to 2.5 milliliters per square feet. Now, the coating is ready to apply. Application by the roller is recommended for both small and a little bigger areas, as it is easy to apply. So, start by loading the roller with the nano-modified liquid to make it saturated. Now, spread it uniformly onto the surface. A single top to bottom and left to right strokes will work well without leaving any gaps. It's crucial to apply the liquid with gentle and uniform pressure to obtain its effectiveness. Remember, it's essential not to apply more than the recommended quantity to ensure optimal performance and the desired heat protection. Also, the roller absorbs approximately 30 to 35 milliliters of Star Heat Shield. Now, check the amazing results after the application of Star Heat Shield. Make sure that the roller is neither dry nor overloaded. Instead, keep it saturated to avoid a scratching sound due to dryness during application. Applying excessive force during the application can cause uneven distribution or create air bubbles, resulting in a distorted appearance. So, maintain a consistent rolling motion. It is important to check the temperature of the glass surface before application. In case the surface is too hot, spray or sprinkle the ice water, or switch on the AC to lower the temperature. It is better to apply the coating in the morning or evening time to avoid quick drying. Let's go over a few additional points to consider for a successful outcome before wrapping up. After applying the coating, it's important to note that the coating will take approximately 4 hours to become dry to the touch. However, proper curing requires a longer duration of 96 hours. To prevent dust particles or impurities from sticking to the coating during the application process, it's preferred to switch off any fans or air circulation devices in the area. This helps maintain a cleaner environment for a smoother finish. Also, you may notice a slight blurriness after applying the coating. Not to worry. This blurriness will gradually clear up due to self-leveling property during the curing process, resulting in transparent finish. It's essential to prioritize your safety. Remember to always wear a mask and gloves to protect yourself from any potential harm.